Hello guys, I'm now visiting Victoria, which is the capital of British Columbia, located on Vancouver Island. And I'm going to cross the road, waiting for the light to turn green. Let's wait for it. Yes, now the light is green, which means that I can cross the road. Okay, as you can see, I'm now heading to the British Columbia Parliament buildings, which are home to the Legislative Assembly of British Columbia. Look at here, guys. Beautiful. And I'd like to tell you that this place is one of the must-visit destinations when you come to Victoria, because the view around the Parliament buildings is just amazing. Just amazing. Okay, so let's continue moving forward towards the buildings. I can see many people coming here. And yes, here we are in the front of the British Columbia Parliament buildings. The buildings are looking great. You're getting closer to it. Yes, the view is just beautiful, spectacular. Okay, I think we need to go to the side of the building. Let's see if we can go there. Okay, let's go this way. Oh yeah, so I think those are tour guides. Yeah, so here the tour guides are giving some instructions or information to the visitors. Let's listen to their information.
Or any other things, please just let me know. My name is Sheldon. I'm going to be your chaperone today. If you have any concerns, I can help you, or if I can't do it myself, I have a walkie-talkie to get me someone who can. So this show, it will be taking us around the west side of the building this way. We'll be seeing certain parts of the grounds over here. And it does take 35 minutes in its entirety. So if you do have a prior reservation or anything like that, don't worry, you're free to leave. Just please do so quietly and respectfully so that our actors don't get disturbed as they're working very hard to bring you a very good show. Yes, I think that's pretty much everything. So without any further ado, yes, right? Yes, oh, there we go, perfect. Yes, you're absolutely permitted to take pictures. Photos and videos are totally encouraged. So if you'd like to share about us on social media, we'd absolutely love that. We are the parliamentary players of the Victoria Legislative Buildings in British Columbia. And just remember though, if you don't like today's show, this is the Parliament Building in Victoria, Australia. Now, without any further ado, please give a very warm welcome to the cast of A House for Democracy.
Do you think Professor Parapet is running late?
Oh, that's something.
Has anybody heard? Maybe check your email. No, you're right. The professor's pretty old these days. He doesn't move so fast. I'm sure he'll be here soon. There's no need to panic. Don't panic, everybody. Hi. Okay. Hello. My name is Taylor Transom. I used to be a student of Professor Parapet back in architecture school, kind of like you all are now, and I'm working on a design, but I'm having a little bit of trouble, so I emailed the professor for help, and he got back to me. What did he say? Let's see. Class on field trip to legislature tomorrow. You're the class, I presume. Join there, it will help. That's it. That's all he said. Only now here I am, and I don't see any famous architects anywhere. And I'm starting to spiral a little bit. Has anybody seen a famous architect? Probably unfashionably dressed, maybe lost in thought.
Hey there, friend. I might be able to help you out. The name's Gable. I'm a member of the precinct services team. We're the group that keeps this building in tip-top shape.
Hi.
I saw someone quite nearby matching the description of your friend, but why are you so anxious to find them?
Okay, well, don't tell anybody this, but did you hear about that contest to design a city hall up in Bulwer in the interior? Well, guess who won it? No, it was me. It was me who won it.
Congratulations.
Thank you. And the mayor actually said he liked my design so much that he wanted me to go back to the drawing board with double the budget and make a house worthy of democracy. Whatever that means. But now I'm out of ideas. I was hoping Professor Parapet could kind of nudge me in the right direction. I've made a few sketches so far, but they're all just in the beginning stages. They're not really ready to look at yet.
Oh, it looks like a snail.
No, knows what you know about modern architecture. Okay, the class will back me up on this. Does this look like a snail to you? Well, they're just students. What do they know? It's not a snail or a turtle.
You remind me of rats.
What? Did you just call me a rat?
Oh, no, rats. Francis Mawson Rattenbury, the BC architect, designed these buildings and the Empress Hotel and the steamship terminal. One of my ancestors worked for him, and from what I've heard, you've got a lot of his qualities. He was creative, talented, hardworking.
Well, thank you.
Arrogant, impulsive, stubborn, condescending.
Yeah, all right.
You can still see his influence all over the city. In fact, some people say you can still see his ghost walking these grounds. I believe it too.
Yeah, of course
This
you do.
building is a knot that ties together the many strands of BC's history. It's hardly a surprise that timelines get a little tangled.
Oh, speaking of timelines, mine is really tight right now, so can you tell us where to find Professor Parapet, please?
I'll take you halfway and then I'll give you directions. Okay, everyone follow me.